Wagwan, beautiful people. Wagwan, 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 wagwan. That is Patra. How are you doing? How are you all doing? So we have another video today. So so we're on the political campaign. We start already. We're not waiting until next year, because there's a possibility there's a disaster and the election has to be delayed. Now, I put out some video about Mark Golden constituency, and I put out one about Andrew Owen's constituency. And there was another one where show a piece of Angela Brownberg constituency. I don't want to feel this because I show that video there is like me I try to prove a point to say, well, yes, Angela them for lose the constituency because them now look a fighter or whatever. That's not the case. There is no Jamaica Labour Party representative here to take that seat. So I guess the Jamaica Labour Party hierarchy about a waste of time to campaign and spending huge money and nobody to vote against the PNP. The PNP party, them have a different philosophy. For them philosophy is, whenever you see the roads like this, it is not the PNP government in power. They're saying it is the Jamaica Labour Party government is in power. So it is the Jamaica Labour Party administration supposed to fix every community road out of the 63 MP, 49 for the JLP and 14 for the MP. So basically the PNP member parliament and the PNP councillors, delegates and foot soldiers and all of you really not educate the people them in the community. Only just a ball for vote, vote, vote. Because if you sit down pan on ass and I say, we have 49 MP for the Labour, right? 14 MP for the Jamaica Labour Party. And every day you get up, you say, Andrew Otis must come fix your community. Why do you need a member of parliament, sir? Or madam? Just give me a reason. Why is it you would have need a member of parliament since it's Andrew only supposed to fix every community roads? Remember, don't get me wrong, Only hear me all the while say Andrew is the government and him to do this and him to do that. But you don't run with it. Because it's not an E that I speak to you. Basically, when you say a PNP MP or a councillor and you want a thing, because you don't want nothing much, you have grave digging, you have a family who pass away, you want a little money, little rum, little boom, and the MP go in their pocket and say, all right, all this I might allocate some money to, Are the same taxpayers' money. So I just it to no run for, because the concept is the person who have the money is the government. And the member of parliament for the People's National Party, they don't have any money to fix the road. Yes, you say the education really, really gone. It's really bad, It's really bad. Me not tell no lie, my video over Mark Golden constituency. Call a spade, my video over Andrew Owen's constituency. And Andrew Owen's constituency is near to Angela, so I had to drive past. So I stopped by Angela's constituency. Alright? It's not a target. Because these people, it no matter if you put a dog or a puppy in a orange or a yellow, that's what they're going to vote for. And they're going to live with the road and they're going to cost the Jamaica Labour Party, say, the MP Angela Brown-Burke, the MP Michael Phillips, the MP Philip Palwell, the MP Mark Golden, the MP Dennis Daly, the MP Natalie Edley or whatever, and the rest of them don't get any money, them don't get no CDF funds, they don't have no responsibility to fix them community. The community is supposed to fix by Andrew Onis. He is a government minister and he's the prime minister. So we don't want the rest of the minister them to do. Why not take up pay per month? Because when they get raised too, everybody acquired about Andrew Onis get raised. These people get raised. Yes. And if you're looking at the comment on TikTok, and if you look on the comment on YouTube, something is totally wrong. You guys don't have no education. None whatsoever. You guys don't have any common sense. I am voting for the Jamaica Labour Party, but to me, I think the Jamaica Labour Party bloggers and persons that are not bloggers that interacts with the public have more sense and more educative skills. Because every member of parliament is allocated fund to deal with them constituency. Just like Michael Phillips and Mile Gully. When I cuss him about the tri-bridge, nobody cuss Michael about the tri-bridge because the tri-bridge can't take him alone for do it. It has to take a more agency. NWC, this or that, NW who, Michael we, this or that. It will take more than that. But for the road, Michael Phillips he fix the road. But in ball for excuse, we're not killing about the bridge. We're not killing about tri-bridge. No. Mark Golding supposed to fix his constituency. Angela Brown Burke, Andrew Onis, because them say Feder, Donovan Williams, a part of the syndicate around the other side there. But trust me, education is lacking. And if you put a member person around here and say, listen to me, we are going to fix road, and we are going to do this phone, and we are going to make sure some have money in the pocket, and we are going to make sure we still going to vote for one way because when they grew up on the mother telling us, say, Michael Manley give free this, Michael Manley give free that, Michael Manley give free this. Me not like it. None of the MP them now, on carry a personal problem go down there. See, Matthew Samuda down him just become the MP officially. And every day I see the line up down there. Remember you hear me talk? I just talk about the PNP and now I'm going to the JLP. I just switching on us in a no time. Because the Labour Party people them need and them hold them representative responsible. So when you hear we are speak out, we not cost the MP. We just ask for accountability. Me say baby mother down there with promoter doing a line up. Everybody down there. What no down there do? One can't get Matthew number, get him email him something written for say, well, yes sir, I need assistance here. Apart from the kids them and the old people. Some wanna forgo work. The old people them forget any amount of house them forget, and the children them forget any amount of benefits to get, and whosoever qualifying at the mega classes to get something. But everybody sit down and I depend upon MP for buy rum and boom, for go grave digging, for say yo, my virgin that prisoner him there on appeal, I want money to get him out. That's not what the MP did there for. The MP want help you. But that's not what the funds are there for. The funds are there for the road, the curb wall, the market for the councillors and the parish council people them, the garbage collection. No, going to garbage collection. You see when you all them talk about the road. Because I not rant. Just when I rant, I talk loud, I'm go on with myself. But you see the people them just say the road, where them see in a Mark Golding. Listen what me I say, you know. You see the road in a Mark Golding constituency and the road in a Angela Brown Burke constituency. The PNP them says not the PNP in power. Yeah, the PNP them come out and them type and them tell about S your mother and them cuss you and say, I know we in a government. This is how they behave, you know. That's why it's the PNP who really trick the people them, because all member of parliament supposed to educate these people and tell them say, me get CDF fund for share up for do this, for do that. Alright, this can't work, that money now gonna serve, now gonna look more, so only can expect this, expect that. But to the MP Alfred down. Can they beg last, can they beg sugar, can they beg everything. Whether JLP or PNP, me sure about the PNP them. And most JLP must unite too, but me not sure about them. I don't see me speak. Me I talk straight up. You see now they get to them, whole heap of youth them build them house, whole heap of Empress build them house. Jungle, Tivoli and all them place. You see how long at Tivoli? Tivoli coming like 2-lane people. If you don't know Tivoli, when you're going per highway, that's like one main road go right up. Can carry back right out of the market. Do you understand me? If you take any other road, it drop you back down at the back down there, so down at Rasta City, PWD, and you head up into the back of Rasta City down at Lizard Town, and you head back out of the market. Tivoli Gardens has 2 lane or probably 3 roadway for head out of the community. Nothing compared to Jungle and those other big community. So when them see the video, you don't know, go on a Tivoli video. Go on a Tivoli video. Them now go say really, the rubbish I will see and the road I will see. Me never know so it's here. Me never know so it's here. Them a tell me say go on a Tivoli video. We can't go down a Tivoli video. We don't need to go down a video. And the day me drive, I don't need to go down a video. We are going to compare. You don't even compare. Fix your community. The 2 little road, them in a Tivoli a different road. Denham Town is totally different from Tivoli. Back to the argument for the garbage. The people them were claimed to say Andrew Owen is supposed to fix Mark Golding constituency, Angela Brown Burke, Michael Phillips, and the main road they talk about, in the constituency, Turner, Parochial Road, local government election. Look on this. Angela Brown Burke are the MP. Mark Golding the MP down the road. Up the road, you have, what his name? Something under the garden. Something under the garden. Delroy Garden. Well, no. Him name Garden. Him is a councillor, whatever. You understand me? If you go around the road, we in it. If you go down the road, the mayor, PNP. People who stupid. I'm sorry for say it. Who stupid. Everybody has said Andrew only to fix them road there. When you don't have the PNP control the parish council, and them been doing it so dominant. Labour right lucky and take it away from them get it back in the tie what they because them win the popular vote. Nobody calling on the mayor. Nobody calling on Angela Brown Burke. Nobody calling on Mark Golding. Everybody's calling on Andrew Onis. He is the government. He has the highest office apart from the courts. You understand what I say? Call upon him. Call upon your MP also. Back to the people them with the garbage, or the same thing them say. When the garbage pile up in them community, them say Andrew Onis and the Labour Party, them rear them. Parish council responsible for garbage collection and some minor roads and whatever. Parish council. Remember me just said the mayor, Angela Brown Burke, for them call of the councillor. Mark Golding about a council along there too. Them no lose for them seat. Them win all the time. Plus you have a mayor. People, look on it. Just check the stretch. Just listen to the stretch now. I can go all the way up a Waltham right there, sir. Right? Come cross Waltham. End back down a Spanish Town Road. PNP control the whole of right there, so go all the way to downtown. Angela Brown Burke, Mark Golding. Come end up down, come catch up with the mayor. I remember what day them lose Central Kingston from to Donovan Williams. You see how long them dominant. And when a man see the garbage, a man say Andrew Onis now pick up the garbage. The man them no read. The man them no have no education for no say. That's the job of the parish council. The same parish council people them where they went out for and voting numbers. Remember them vote out road of 4 council them down a man somewhere down there, so road of the MP and our 4 council them lose. Look down there. Look down there. Carmart, scamming, supermarket. No development no down there. None whatsoever in our major way. None whatsoever. Scam town, scam parish. If you don't live down there, you know me I talk about. You know me I talk about. You not bring in an investor to come build a big thing down that to make sure so people can eat food and life can spread. Education is the problem. Education is the problem. You come out and you know say you have a vote for that man there, but you don't know say I'm responsible for pick up the rubbish them. I live in a PNP era. And I don't have to talk against the PNP. I can video and show you where I live in. Yeah. I can show you. I'm going to make another video with the rubbish out of the front now. Because remember, even the people that pick up the rubbish, them pass every day. Everybody have them WhatsApp. Everybody do this. Nobody not ask about the garbage. Everybody wait and I say, oh, Andrew Onis now pick up the garbage. But yet still, them go out there and vote for Carl. He is the councillor. Them vote for the mayor, although them place the mayor. Them vote for Mark Golding, councillor. Them vote for the councillor up there, so Waynet, up at Waltham up there, so. Them vote for Morgan up at Maxfield. Look on it, just look on that stretch there. Just check the stretch. The whole of Waltham come all the way down to the cemetery. If you head back down past Spanish Town Road, go all the way down. Come back up Jungle if you want. You can come back down and then the mayor control town. Why is it when you don't call these people responsible? You know, see me drive from Olympic Way and I show the road. That means a feather them supposed to see the video. Andrew Onis them supposed to see the video. William supposed to see the video. Labour right now hide nothing because we want better for everyone away. You know, you me do the video and say me have woman over there, sir. Woman over there, sir. Woman over there, sir. Suppose me woman never hear me. Suppose my woman never hear me. Suppose my woman never hear me. Big up Lashika. Big up Miss Chin. Big up Philippian. Big up Kiss Dan. Big up Petal. Big up Plank. Big up DJ Chrome. Big up Munchie. Big up Goody. Big up Joshua. Big up Chucks. Big up Classic. Big up Dujan. Big up Guru 876. Guru, me catch your name now. Guru 876. Them people there are campaigning for the Jamaica party vigorously. Nightsless, sleepless. You can put it anywhere you want to put it. Them have nightless sleep and them have sleepless night just for campaign. And you see them are the fuck them a speak. Any one of the names I mentioned a while ago, just go over TikTok and search any one of them names there and you get the truth. The truth. TRUTH. Either them not know or them tell you the truth. Or them tell you them don't know, them are going to check and forward back. Okay? Have a nice day. We'll catch you on another video. Big up yourself.